Good morning, Payne Tech. Today is Friday, October 24th, and welcome to this episode of Payne Tech News. I'm your host, Kevin Williams.
And I'm your co-host, Alayia Cole. As we wrap up Hispanic Heritage Month, we want to take a moment to recognize the incredible cultures, traditions, and contributions of Hispanic and Latino Americans. From food, music, to art and education, these communities have shaped our world in powerful ways. Thank you to everyone who participated in our Hispanic Heritage Show.
I love me some Hispanic music, man. But here at Payne Tech, students and staff have been celebrating in style, from classroom projects and creative displays to today's Hispanic Heritage Show. Let's take a look at how Payne Tech has been recognizing Hispanic Heritage Month.
Month is Hispanic Heritage Month. Let's see what the Payne Tech community is doing to prepare for it. How do you say your name in Spanish?
Bueno, mi nombre en español se dice Kevincito o Kevin.
Leslie.
Nana.
Sally. Carla.
Favorite aspects of Latin American culture?
My favorite aspects of Latin American culture are definitely the food and the music.
La comida típica.
I feel like the food and the music.
Why?
Porque hay mucha diversidad, por ejemplo, el encebollado, la fritada y el sancocho.
The food is just, coming from Puerto Rican background, the food is amazing. Everything that, oh my God, it's just so good.
What are the main contributions of Hispanic culture in the United States?
Hispanic musician has shaped Americans through genders like salsa, merengue, reggaeton, Latin pop, tango, and mariachi, and the Tejano.
How has Hispanic culture influenced the food, music, or art that you enjoy?
Ok, so lo que influye a nosotros como latinos y como hispanos, bueno, yo soy de Salvador, a nosotros la música se ha hecho más grande porque antes no se escuchaba música de El Salvador. So.
Who is your favorite Hispanic music artist and why?
My favorite Spanish music artist is definitely Raúl Alejandro.
I would have to say Raúl Alejandro.
His genres blending is so unique, and especially with his new album, he dug very deep into the Puerto Rican culture.
Mi favorito actor de música es José Torres porque me gusta cómo él canta, cómo representa el país.
¿Alguien hispano que te ha movido en tu vida?
La persona hispana que me ha movido en mi vida o que me ha inspirado ha sido Karol G, porque es una persona que representa positividad, perseverancia y que lucha a pesar de todas las dificultades que se le han presentado en la vida.
That's how the Payne Tech community is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. From honoring traditions to creating memories. And back to you.
That was amazing. Thank you to everyone who helped bring those celebrations to life. It's great seeing Payne Tech come together to honor such a rich and diverse culture. And in other news, Senior Sunrise took place last Friday. Seniors arrived at Payne Tech at 5:30 in the morning and took part in various activities with their fellow seniors. Thank you to Ms. Goodson for making this event possible, and a shout out to the class of 2026.
Come on, y'all. Let's get into some quick reminders for this week. Remember to wear your school ID, be on time to class, and please, please, please do not go to the nurse without a pass. Let's keep our campus safe and organized, y'all.
Now, let's switch gears. Student council elections are coming up. If you're passionate about leading, planning events, and making your voice heard, this is your chance to get involved. More details about candidates and voting will be announced soon, so stay tuned.
Again, seniors, the Yearbook Club has created a Beacons page with all the important links you'll need for submissions, updates, and more on the page. You can submit your candid photos using the school code PayneTech26, upload your baby picture, and share your senior quote. Your quotes are due by October 31st. More links will be added as needed, so be sure to check back often for more updates. The page is down below.
Once again, Payne Tech is having an open house on October 25th. The open house provides parents an opportunity to tour, get information on our CTEs, meet our faculty, and see our facilities. Please check the Payne Tech website for more information.
Now, some excitement. The NBA season just kicked off this week, marking the start of the 2025-2026 season. Fans everywhere are excited to see what this year has in store, with new rosters, rookies, and big-time matchups already. Making headlines, Whether you're rooting for the Knicks, the Lakers, or your own favorite team, it's shaping up to be an exciting season on the court. And that concludes this episode of Payne Tech News. Once again, I'm your boy, your host, Kevin Williams.
And I'm your co-host, Alayia Cole. Thank you for watching Payne Tech News. Remember, keep smiling, stay motivated,
And be a lion.